Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's make Ofe Akwu together. This is one of my favorite stew recipes. It's also called Banga stew or Banga soup. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. The first step is to cook the palm fruit until it becomes very soft. I'm Igbo and this is called Akwu in my dialect. Some people also know this as Banga. I'm making a big pot of Ofe Akwu today and I washed my palm fruit properly off camera. I've just gone in with enough water and I'll proceed to cook this until it becomes very soft. Now you know this is soft when you press it and the skin comes off easily. I went ahead to extract it off camera and this is what I got after extracting. You can see this is a lot. It's not every time you get palm fruit and you extract it and you get this quantity of oil. Sometimes the fruits look very fleshy, but after extraction you notice that you don't have a lot of liquid after extracting, like you don't have a lot of oil. But this gave me exactly what I wanted. So I want to add this into my pot because it's time to start cooking this delicious pot of Ofe Akwu. And I always try not to add everything into my pot. I've done this severally off camera, but I just want to do this last one because sediment usually settle at the bottom of the bowl containing the palm fruit extract. So I love to add it in gradually so as not to get any unwanted particles into my stew. After adding the palm fruit extract into my pot, I'll cover and cook. I'll cook this for a few minutes. At first, you notice that it starts bringing out foam. Now, there are people that take out this foam. Sometimes I take it out, at other times I just leave it and continue cooking. I usually add ingredients into the pot when it starts to bring out oil. Like here, you can see that oil is beginning to float on top of the palm fruit extract. Now for me, this is the perfect time to go in with my ingredients. I'll add my ingredients in no particular order. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. It shows you're enjoying the recipe and I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. If you're new to the channel, my name is Oge, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. This is the right place to be if you enjoy easy and delicious food recipes. So please do me a favor by smashing the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you are notified of new videos. I've added my cooked beef, my deboned catfish, which is one of the ingredients I always add into my Ofe Akwu. I've just added my onions, which I blended properly. This is totally optional. Feel free to chop up your onions if that is what you prefer. I also added blended pepper. I've just added my crayfish powder, which is a combination of crayfish powder and ogiri. Ogiri is also known as locust bean in English, and I'm giving this pot of stew a very good stir to incorporate all the ingredients. After about 2 minutes, I'll cover the pot and I'll continue to cook. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. You all are the real MVPs and you all hold a special place in my heart. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch. You're the best. After about 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's coming on really well and it smells amazing inside my kitchen. I'm going in with my seasoning cubes and salt. I added the meat stock off camera. I didn't get that on camera, but I've added my meat stock and I didn't add the seasoning until this point because I seasoned my meat very well. So I wanted it to boil for a few minutes to ascertain if I need to add more seasoning. So after tasting, I added seasoning cubes and salt. This is 15 minutes later and you can see how good this looks. What a nice thing. Don't this look good? It looks absolutely delicious already. The aroma inside my kitchen at this point was something else. It was heavenly. At this point, your neighbor should know you're cooking something delicious, like you're cooking up a storm. This stew is like 98% ready, but I just have to add in my vegetables. For today's recipe, I'll be adding just scent leaf. I'll be using both fresh scent leaf and frozen scent leaf. Now you can play with your vegetables. You can add as much vegetable as you want. Sometimes I add ugu leaf, scent leaf, and curry leaf. I just switch it up, so feel free to add any vegetable of your choice. This stew, it looks super delicious. So guys, please follow me on other social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the handle to search for on these platforms is Oge Anyoku on TikTok, Oge_Anyoku on Facebook and on Instagram. Please do well to follow me, watch my videos. You enjoy my videos. If you're someone that don't have patience for long form content here on YouTube, you can check out these other channels. I post short videos that are a minute long or less on there, and you enjoy watching them. My delicious pot of stew is ready, and it's time to dish this yummy goodness into my plates. So come with your plate if you're interested. There's love in sharing, and I have enough to go around. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach, share it out to your family and friends, and leave me comments in the comment section. Thank you all for stopping by, and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.